Hi everyone and welcome back to Canyon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we had a chance to fix this DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso machine. It wasn't pulling any shots because the probably was a clog somewhere at the lower brew unit. It was just spraying the coffee everywhere. We ended up replacing that unit. It's this one over here with a new one. And we also descaled the machine, made sure everything is ready to go, deep cleaned everything there, also replaced the upper brew unit gasket and cleaned the screen. And it's all good to go, so let's have a shot and I'm gonna try a double espresso. You can just zoom in here. So you can hear the grinder engaging. The brew unit is moving, then pre-brewing. And now brewing. There we go. That's really nice. Alright, wonderful. So you're all set to go. Thank you for watching and thank you for repairing with Canyon Coffee.